Luther liked women. The men in the family, the women were all very stern. They were readers, and they were, really very, very, it was important to have an education and to learn and everything. And Luther was a flirt, and he loved women, and he had a lot of women. He ultimately married an actress named Sylvia Sidney, who was at that time a big movie star. And they had a son, Jody. But Luther, I remember, they were at this, he opened, actors are always trying to find a way to earn a living, because they really, even if you act, you don't act all the time. And the whole thing with actors is to find something to do to earn a living, so that when you're not in a play, you still have money. So Luther opened something in California. He figured that you couldn't get lobsters on the West Coast. You could only get lobsters here. So he got the lobsters from Maine, put them in the stage deli on 6th, you know where the stage is? It's on 6th Avenue in the 50s someplace, on ice. And then they would get shipped to the West Coast. And they opened a restaurant there called Jody's Lobster Quadrille. And so that was his way, as long as it lasted. The men in the family, Luther liked girls. He ran after girls. He was unbelievably busy with girls, and the women were completely stern and serious and very beautiful, yeah.